How to recover the user parameter. 1. Recover default parameters. First, open the machine. Click Menu, Function, and Default Paragraph. Input the password DAHAOSEW. Click Confirm. Click User. Select 7273 CNC User. Click Recover. Click Confirm. Recover the default parameter, succeeded. Please reset the machine. 2. Recover the user parameter by backup. First, let's open the machine. Find the zip file we send you. Release it. We'll find the folder which named backparam. Open it. Check it and see if it is file which named backup.param. If yes, let's copy backparam folder. And paste it to U-disk. We make sure the correct order is U-disk, backparam folder, backup.perm file. If the order is U-disk, backparam folder, backup.perm file, it's wrong order. Then, let's open the machine. Insert the backup U-disk. Click Menu, Function, and Backup/recov. Input the password DAHAOSEW. Click Confirm. Click Next page. Please find Recovery User Parameter, click Confirm. Read the parameter succeeded. Please rest the machine. Thanks for your watching. See you.